Hey guys, it's Dash Armstrong, and today I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored with my little sister.
Hi.
So today I'm doing a three-piece ASOS review on three items that I got from ASOS. I got a shirt, a bag, and an earring. So I got three items from ASOS, and then I ordered my sister three items from ASOS. So I'm just gonna go over these items that I felt I needed in my closet. I felt that God needed me to have these pieces, so I got them. The first piece is this. It's so dope. It looks like metal is like dripping. I thought it was super dope. Even though I'm not a fan of silver, I had to get it. Well, this is silver, so I guess it goes with this. You can see it in my ear. It's like mad cool. I don't do two ears. I feel like having it on two ears would be like a little weird. But if that's your prerogative, fuck it up. Do it. But yeah, these was, I don't know how much these was. I'm gonna have that price right here. They was like, I don't think they was like $9, maybe $19. They was a little pricey. ASOS is pricey, so I ain't gonna even hold you. They a little pricey. But yeah, I thought it'd be a dope to have, a little summer fall piece, you know, must have. So this is a must have. Oh, wait. I also took like 2 showers in this. And I think the color is still there, so yeah, I took 2 showers and it didn't turn yet. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated with that. All right, guys, I gotta grab my hat because I'm about to try on this outfit. Yo, this is like probably like my favorite hat. I got this in New York City. Well, my friend got this for me in New York City. He's going out to the club. And I'm known for my hats. Like, anytime I'm out, it's either a fedora, a snapback, a fitted, a little scully, any type of hat, fedora is me. That's my MO. That's what I know. That's what I'm known for. So he's in New York, about to go out, about to go turn up. They didn't want me to go all the way home because I live in Jersey. They live in New York, so that would have been a distance. So I had to buy an outfit there. Then I was like, yo, I need a hat to fucking match. Like, I need a hat. Me's looking at like 3 places. I went to H&M, Forever 21, Zara, everywhere. We found this on like a vendor on 42nd Street. So yeah, check me out. All right, let's try on some clothes. Now let's change into the shirt. Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys, I like this shirt. I got a 2X. I usually get everything in 2X because I'm 6'3" and I probably weigh a lot. Just know I weigh a lot. But yeah, I'm 6'3" and I'm probably like somewhere in a 2 something. So I got this in a 2X. Mind you, I ain't gonna hold you, nigga. This is holding me like a motherfucking waist trainer. This shit is motherfucking waist trainer material. I mean, watching Law and Order in the background, you know, who doesn't love a good Law and Order SVU episode, okay? So, yeah, it's not too bad. You can see, like, my little pecs. You know, gotta get that little summer pec up, okay? But other than that, I love this fucking style of shirt. Like, come on. Like, you can dress it up. First of all, let's get into, the first part that I love. I love this. I think this is so dope and chic. You can do this with a blazer. you can do this like on a hot summer day. Like, I don't know. I feel like you can do this so many different ways. It's like dope to me. I love it. I love it. I love the color on me. Blue, navy blue, green, and a kind of like tangerine color. Yellow look good on dark skin people. Keep that noted. Light blue and denim. So everything looks good on black people. Dark skin people, sorry. Black people. But yeah, so kudos to you, ASOS. I just gotta lose a little bit more weight so my stomach won't be sticking out more than my booty. Okay? So the second item that I got was, sorry, the third item that I got, ooh, did you see that? It was like mad spit that came out of my mouth. The third item I got was this, what are they called? What is those bags called, Ash?
What bag?
The little,
Clutch?
no. The fanny pack.
Oh.
I got like kind of like this fanny pack thing. It's kind of dope. I love it. I love the feel of it. So let's try it on. Wait, Asha, I need your help. Just come and put it on me real quick. So hold on. Yeah, hold on. Just hold on to it real quick. Take it and then come up right here real quick. Because I got to transition to find out how much.
It looked like they wanted it.
What if I do the whoa and then it pops up?
Oh yeah, that's nice. Wow. But that's not.
Bruh. Wow. Wow. And like, wow.
Nice. It looked like, you know, the laundry bags.
Yeah. So maybe I'll do it like this. And then I come to the camera. I have the bag on?
Yeah.
Or some shit like, oh, where's my camera? Some shit like, all right, guys, so I'm gonna have my little sister help me. Just make sure the thing is like all the way. I hope I can fit this motherfucker around. Oh, here it is. I'm like, it don't even got no extra material. Honey, I don't even know how to fucking do this shit. Clearly, as you know, I ain't gonna put ass chair around my waist, Ash.
Oh, what you gonna do? Oh. Oh.
Bruh.
Oh, you doing it like this?
Yeah, like, why would I put it around my waist?
Oh,
okay. Bro, this can't, we gotta figure this out. Honey, this is not gonna work for me. No. We gotta figure out how to get this shit. No. I am fucking too fucking big to be having like something around my fucking neck. Like a fucking choker. I'm about to get this fucking review like ASAP. So I was trying to make it longer because of course I am, like I told you, I'm 6'3". I ain't no fucking sample size. So in order, I felt like to make this shit work. Okay, I think I did it. Let's see, because if this shit might have to be used as something totally different. Okay. I guess for what it is, it's cute. I ain't even gonna hold you. It's a cute bag. I got it because it reminds me of the open ceremony situation. It reminds me of the bag that we know when we go to the laundry. I don't know if y'all use it or not, but we use it over here. So, okay. It was just giving me that little vibe. You know, I thought it would be a cute little summer piece to have. But as you see, I'm too fucking plus size to fucking wear the shit around my chest. So I might wear like a little fucking handbag or some type of shit and just make it work, you know? We're gonna make it work because the bag is cute. You know, you fit your little wallet in here. I don't know if the hand sanitizer can fit in here. Can you hear me, that hand sanitizer? Let's see if the hand sanitizer can fit. Because summer 2020 is gonna be carry motherfucking hand sanitizer or get lost in the motherfucking sauce. Okay? Hand sanitizer, yeah. So if this can fit my hand sanitizer, it's the go. It's the go. My hand sanitizer can fit. I mean, the bag is cute. It's from HXTN. Prime crossbody bag. And it lets you know that it's a crossbody bag. But it's not a crossbody bag for all sizes. Okay? That's the problem. You ain't for the plus boys. You ain't for the thick boys. You ain't for the heavy chested boys. You're not. You're for the simple twinks. What is a twink? I'm gonna put a twink definition right here, and you know what a twink is. You see them every day. But kudos on the bag. The bag is dope. This can be a whole outfit, a whole vibe, you know. Put it on with some gray joggers, some gray dress pants, and you got a little look. Okay, so that's it for today, my ASOS review. So we went over the drip earrings, the metal drip earrings. I just gave them that name. We went over this dope navy shirt. We went over this bag, which now I have a love-hate relationship with. So that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. And add me on Facebook. All right, guys. Thank you for joining my ASOS review. I'll check you guys out later. Oh. Drop a motherfucking comment. Thank you.